In every crypto cycle, there's a moment most people miss. The moment before the explosion. The moment before mass adoption. The moment when community becomes power. This is that moment. A community-powered movement built at the intersection of scale and innovation, where massive Telegram reach meets next-generation Aster DEX infrastructure. No KYC, no custody, no hidden charges. Trade directly from your own wallet, fully non-custodial, fully transparent. You stay in control, always. Cross-chain trading without manual bridging. Seamless execution powered by smart contracts. Liquidity-backed performance. Simple mode with up to 1001x BTC USD leverage. Built for beginners. Engineered for professionals. And now, a $200 million Aster airdrop. One of the biggest industry moves ever launched. This isn't just marketing. This is momentum. Early users. Early liquidity providers. Early believers. Because they understand one thing. Opportunities don't repeat. The LP program is live. Pre-sale stages are structured. The ecosystem is expanding. Join the movement. Secure your position. And don't miss this cycle.